Uy! Uy! Ay! Ay! Ayok ka. Run ka mo yan. Nag-run tuloy.
Ano, you have to behave, you pray. You wanna stay there? Oh, nagalit, tumakbo. Dito kami napunta sa simbahan. You pray matanggal yung tantrums mo. This is what happened when George is having a tantrum. Come here, come to mama na. Let's go to the car. You behave na, ha? Oh, don't get mad. Sige, I'm not gonna put you in the car. Don't get mad. Did you say sorry?
Sorry.
Say sorry. Sorry, mommy. Ay, look at me. Sorry, mommy. Ay, look at mommy. Sorry.
Mommy.
Okay.